Students, today we are going to solve some more problems from practice set 7.3. Question number 7. Here in this figure, P is the center of the circle and radius of the circle is given 3.4 centimeter. R is equal to 3.4 centimeter. And perimeter of sector P dash ABC is equal to 12.8 centimeter. So find area of sector P dash ABC. Now here radius is given and the perimeter of the sector is given. Now in perimeter of sector, perimeter means what? The length of, total length of the border. Okay. So here perimeter of the sector is having this radius PC plus radius PA and plus this length of R ABC. This much portion is called as length of R ABC. So in perimeter of sector we have radius PC plus radius PA plus length of arc ABC. So radius we have and perimeter is given. So from that we can find the length of sector arc ABC. Okay. So let us start solution. Perimeter of sector P dash ABC is equal to PA plus PC plus length of arc ABC. Followed? PA plus PC plus length of arc ABC. Now this perimeter is given 12.8 equal to PA equal to PC are the radii of same circle. So 3.4 plus 3.4 plus length of arc ABC. Therefore 12.8 is equal to 3.4 plus 3.4 6.8 plus length of arc ABC, and therefore length of arc ABC is equal to 12.8 minus 6.8. So 12.8 minus 6.8 is equal to 6 centimeter. So we have length of arc, we have radius of the circle. So to find out the area of sector, we have to use relation between area of sector and length of arc. Okay. So therefore, area of sector P dash ABC is equal to length of arc ABC multiplied by radius R divided by 2. So length of arc ABC we got 6. Radius is given 3.4 divided by 2. Now simplify. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 multiplied by 3.4. So 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10. 10.2 and this is area. So unit for area is centimeter square. Followed how we calculated and then write the answer. Therefore, area of sector P dash ABC is 10.2 centimeter square. This is the answer. 10.3. Question number 8. Here in this figure, you can see there are two arcs. Arc RXQ and arc MYN having the common center O. Here angle ROQ equal to angle MON is given 60 degree. Angle ROQ equal to angle MON. This angle is given 60 degree. OR is equal to 7 centimeter. OR is equal to 7 centimeter. So OR is the radius for arc RXQ. OM is equal to 21 centimeter. This OM is given 21 centimeter. And OM is the radius for arc MYN. So we have to find out the length of these both the arcs, arc RXQ and arc MYN. Pi is given 22/7. Okay. So let us start solution. Here angle ROQ is the central angle. That means this value is theta. So let's first calculate for arc RXQ. For arc RXQ, theta is equal to 60 degree and R is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, length of arc RXQ equal to, formula for length of arc, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is given 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22/7 and radius is 7. So let us calculate. First 0, 0 cancel. 6 and 36 divisible by 6. 6 1 are 6. 6 6 are 36. 7 cancel. 2 1 are 2. 2 3 are 6. Now we have here 22/3. Now you can keep the answer this, or you can find the answer in decimal form. Decimal form we have to find up to 2 decimal place digits. So 3 7s are 21. 22 minus 21, remainder is 1. So carry extra 0. So give here decimal point. And here we will have 3 recurring. So 7.33 and length is having unit centimeter. Follow? So write the answer. Therefore, length of arc RXQ is 7.33 centimeter. This is the answer. Follow? Okay. Next, second arc. Arc MYN. For arc MYN, theta is equal to 60 degree. Radius for arc MYN is OM, which is 21 centimeter. And therefore, length of arc MYN is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22/7 into radius 21. Now simplify. 0 0 cancel. 6 1 are 6 6 are 7 1 are 7 3 are 3 1 are 3 2 are 2 1 are 2 2 are 2 1 are. So here the answer is 22 centimeter. Therefore, length of arc MYN is 22 centimeter. This is the answer. For question number 9 from practice set 7.3. P is the center of the circle and P dash ABC is sector given. And area of this sector P dash ABC is 154 centimeter square. And radius is given 14 centimeter. So we have to find out first angle APC. Now angle APC means we have to find out theta, central angle, and then length of arc ABC. Okay, so let us start solution. Area of sector given and we have to find out length, angle, central angle theta. So we will use first formula, area of sector. So area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. The name of sector is P dash ABC. So area of sector P dash ABC is equal to theta we don't know upon 360 into pi r square. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 14. 14 upon 14. This area is given 154 centimeter square. Now here we will simplify now. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 1s are 2. Okay. Then again this 180 and 22 divisible by 2. 2 11s are 22, 2 9s are 18 and 0. Again this 19 and 14 divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 45, 2 45s are 90. Follow this simplification. So here we have theta upon 45 into 7. 11 into 7. Now to find out this theta, these all numbers take on left hand side. So therefore, theta equal to 154 multiplied by 45 divided by 11 into 7. Okay. Now 154 divisible by 11. 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 40. So we have here 2 into 45. 2 into 45. So 45 2s are 90. So theta is equal to 90 degree. And therefore angle APC is equal to 90 degree. This is the answer. Followed? So this way we solved this first question. Now second question. Second question, we have to find length of arc ABC. We have area of sector with us and radius of circle with us. So we have to use relation between area of sector and length of arc. That area of sector P dash ABC is equal to length of arc ABC into radius divided by 2. This formula we used before this also. This value is given 154 Length of arc we have to find out. Radius is given 14 upon 2. Therefore, length of arc ABC is equal to 154 multiplied by 2 divided by 14. Now 14 is divide 154. 14 1 the 14. 15 minus 14 remainder 1. So again we have 14. So 14 1 the 14 and here 14 1 the 14. Therefore, length of arc ABC is equal to 11 to the 22 centimeter. So this is the answer. Followed? If you don't remember this formula, you can directly apply length of arc formula. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. You will get the same answer. Followed?